Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well in week 2. I just wanted to touch base on our course. I know some of you are feeling that the course is very challenging, and I think that's a normal reaction. In terms of how our courses are designed, at Empire State College, you'll notice you're given a challenging task, and then you're asked to go and find the resources to accomplish that task. And that's very much what we see in the real world when we're out there working as programmers or teachers or whatnot. We've got problems to solve, and we have to figure out how we're going to go and solve them. So I noticed that the Ask a Question board has been a little bit quiet. That is a really great place to ask your questions. And the course is really designed to be heavily reliant on questions. I don't lecture at you, but I give you a task, and then I expect you to ask a lot of questions. So I'm going to hop over to the homework, point out a few exercises I think are challenging, at least based on past terms teaching the course. They're the ones that people always ask about. And then I'm going to give you a few ideas for working on those if you are feeling a little bit stuck. Okay, so I am over here in the WebAssign work for this week. And as you notice, there's the question, and then way over on the right, there's the question identifier. It's a really good idea to write these down in your math notebook as you go. Maybe not every single problem. If you find something easy, don't write it down. But these questions can and will reappear on the final exam. So if you have them noted by this question identifier, you can refer back to your notebook in an organized manner and kind of use what you've already done as a template or guide for future problems. Anyways, couple of things. So question number 2, I have a post about that on the Ask a Question board and a video on the C-Bliss Math YouTube channel. You will notice some weird symbols in WebAssign, like this triangle, and later on they make up some weird word, a quadrille and a groggled. What the heck is this word? Well, what they're trying to get you to do is read a mathematical definition and then apply it. And this is very similar to what happens when we're learning like a new computer language. You know, if our boss says, write me code in such and such language, we have to go learn all this new notation. We have to learn these new terms, decipher what that definition means, and then apply it in some analytic manner. So I don't care that you ever remember this term again, but I do want to focus on the skill of reading a definition or reading a theorem, and then finding things like the converse, or in this one, the contrapositive. So it's the skill, not the actual term that we're working on here. Question number 9 tends to be a really weird one. I recommend drawing this out on paper, and I would love it if somebody would post about this in the question board, because that's a great one to go over. Question number 11 and question number 12, I have a video that's kind of similar to these on the Ask a Question board, so please take a look at that. Similarly, number 13, you might want to check my YouTube channel there. I can always make more videos as well, so if you're stuck on a problem and you don't see a video, put it on the Ask a Question board and we can definitely go over some of these. So they're not easy, but I do expect you to ask lots of questions. I love talking about math. I'm very down to earth, and I do want to help you, so don't be shy about that.